Okay, so this is week 9, Monday, quarter 3, math 7. It's going to be on exponents. All right, so which number do you want to go over first? Do you want to work backwards? Okay, for number 16, do you see the negative right there?
Oh,
The negative 1 exponent?
yeah.
Can't have that. But do you also see the parenthesis goes over the 1 and the 2?
Mm-hmm.
Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So, Rick? So in order for you to go ahead and make that into a positive, what you want to do is we're going to have to flip it. So it's 2 over 1, and now it's a positive. Do you see that? Because the 1 goes down, the 2 goes up. Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So it's just number 15. Which one is equivalent to 1? Well, duh, it's
Zero.
G. This one here, so G will be it. L, look at L. 3 to the 0 power is 1, so L will be it too. 1, M will be it, so all choices.
Gosh.
Which choice is equivalent to that right there? So looking at this, do you see how it's positive or it's negative? Do you see that?
Mm-hmm.
So move it down. So that becomes positive, right?
Mm-hmm.
So then from there, you know that 2 times 3 times 3, or 2 times 2 times 2, 3 times is 8, right? This right here is going to give you a 9. 3 squared is 3 times 3, right?
Mm-hmm.
Which then gives you a 9. So then lastly, what is 8 times 9? Do you see how that works?
Hold on. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah, I see how that works. I see it.
Okay, for number 13, a to the 4th stays on top, a to the 2nd goes on the bottom. Then we're going to divide by moving the 2 up. So y to the 10th divided by y to the 5th, move it up.
$1,000.
I'm just going over the answers. So if you found one that you're like, I'm not sure how you got that, just let me know.
What happened to the
Okay, do you see how the a to the 4th stays on top because it's positive? A to the 7th goes down, becomes positive down. Then you have this, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? 1, 2. Cancel 2 of them. You have 8 times 8 left. What's 8 squared? Yeah. Did she go over any rules with you today? That's great. Hold on a second. For number 9, is a 2 to the 4 times 3? Is that a 5 or is that a 3? Is that a 5? Is this a 5 right there? What is that?
Yeah, that's a 5.
Okay. Okay, so this is gonna give you a 1 times 1/4. So it's just 1/4. Next one, this is 3. 2 times 3 is so that's 6. So that will be W. This one, you're gonna add the exponent, so 4 to the 5th. A to the -2, move it down, 1/8 squared, which is 1/64. Number 4 is just 1. I think that's a 2 and a 5, so move that down. You get 1/3, 5 minus 2, which is 1/3 squared, which is 1/9. For number 2, bring that up. Wait, oh no, it's 6, just kidding. So 3 that's 27. This will give you 36. So if you divide it by 3, it'll give you a 9/12, which is a 3/4. And number 1, you have 3 squared, which is positive. So that needs to move down. 3 to the 5th. So when you subtract that, it's going to be 1/3 to the 3rd, which is 1/27. There you go. And let me know which one you need help with. Do you understand? Do you understand?
9.
Okay, so let's take a look at number 9. For number 9 right here, do you see how with number 9, you're doing like a 4 times 3 right here? 4 times 3 is 12, correct? Now, this one has 2 base, 2 and 2, correct? So what you do here you times. Here you gotta add. Because there's 2 bases. Do you see that? Do you see the difference there?
Yeah.
Okay, if you don't see the difference, let me explain. 2,
No, I do.
4 to the 3rd power versus 2 to the 4th, 2 to the 3rd. Do you see the difference there?
Yeah.
This one, you multiply. This one, you add. So this is 2 to the 12th. This is 2 to the 7th. Do you see that? Because there are 2 bases means add. 1 base means multiply. But it has to have the parenthesis and 2 exponents. Okay? The one that you finished in class, did you guys do that one in class?
Yeah, it's in my notebook.
Okay.
Most of
Did she go over it with you guys, or did you guys work in it in class?
we're gonna in class and sharing like
Okay. Did you have any questions about any of these? The one from the other page?
we have a lot of questions on the other page. We have like a little bit of questions on the back.
Okay. All right. So that pretty much explains everything here. Not in this.